Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to create bootable USB pendrive having multiple operating system. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So before proceeding further, let me make you clear that I'll be showing here two different ways. First is in your Windows computer and second is in your Linux computer. So here you are seeing is I'm using right now is a Windows computer, but in the later second part of the video you'll be seeing the Linux OS computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So if you're using a Windows computer, just open any web browser and go to this website. I'll providing this website link too in the video descriptions. So you click on there and visit to this website. Once you log into this website, you can see its web page, and here you can see and above written as downloads. Just click on it. So you can see here the first one, the banter windows.zip. So you download it. As I've already downloaded this file, so I'm not going to download it again. So you download it. So once you have downloaded it, head over to the folder where you have downloaded that zip file, as you can see here. So what you need to do, you need to extract the file. So once you have extracted, as you can see, a folder. So before proceeding, now insert your USB pen drive on your computer or on your laptop, whatever you are using. Now I have inserted the USB pen drive, as you can see, our notifications. So let me go in this PC, see here. So what you need to do is now just right click this pen drive to disk, run as administrator, click yes. Now what you need to do is you need to click on install, but in my case, as I have already installed it, so you can see Bento in my device, so I have already installed it. So what you need to do, you need to click on install, and you will get the disk will be formatted and all data will be lost, and continue. So I'm not going to do these options, but if you're using Bento to disk for the first time, click on install, click yes, and click proceed. And once done, you will get a Bento in device once it is installed in your device. And if there is a newer version, then you can update it by clicking on update. So in your Windows computer, it's very easy to install a Bento. So in this way you can install a Bento, and once you have installed a Bento, you can see in the right hand side as Bento on device, and your pen drive's name will be converted to like this, the Bento.zip. So once your Bento is being installed in your USB pen drive, what you need to do is you open the pen drive and say, now I have some ISO files. Then you can directly drag and drop this all the files here on your USB pen drive, and using those ISO files and using this pen drive, you can directly boot up. I'll be showing the final boot up in the last part of the video, so you keep watching the video till the end. Now in your Linux computer, what you need to do is you need to open any web browser, and like the Windows version, you need to go to this website again, and you need to click on the downloads. Now you can see here there is a Linux version, and you can see below there is a Bento 1.0.0 linux.tar.gz. so you need to download this file. So you download it, as I've already downloaded, so I'm not going to do it download again. So you download. So after downloading, what you need to do is, now you need to open your terminal by pressing Ctrl+Alt+T. So the terminal window has been opened now. So first let us go in the file manager and we'll check out where the file has been downloaded. So you can see here, in my case, the application has been downloaded in the under the folder downloads. So you check out where your file has been downloaded. So in my case, it's in download. So we'll move back to the terminal. So in the terminal, what you need to type is cd downloads, hit enter, type ls, hit enter to display all the applications that is under the folder downloads. So you can see here the bantoy.tar.gz. so we'll select this. First, what you need to do, we need to extract this archive file. So we need to extract it. Just type tar space dash xf dash. You can copy this file just by using your mouse. Just right click and just copy. Just paste it here. Just now hit enter to extract it. So in my case, it is being extracted, I'm sure. So we'll move back to the folder. So you can see here the file which was tar.gz, that is the archive file, is being extracted. Now you can see here. So we'll just open the terminal again, press Ctrl+Alt+T, and we'll use this terminal as a root user. Just type su, hit enter your password. Now we'll move back again to the download folder, type ls again to display. So we'll select again cd bantoy 1.0.10. we'll display by typing ls. Now before proceeding further, insert your USB pendrive in your computer or in your laptop. So I have inserted my USB pendrive, as you can see below. So before proceeding further, please insert your pendrive right now. So we'll check by going to the computer again, and before proceeding further, we'll check its properties. So you can see here, remember this, it is a SDB file, so you will be requiring this name letter part. So remember it. So before proceeding further, you check the disk drive properties, that is the pen drive properties, and check whether it is SDB, STC or SDA. You just remember those alphabets. So in my case, it is SDB. So you'll be requiring this name later on. What you need to do next is, you can see here the bantoy to disk.sh. So type sudo dot slash, just copy this, just paste it here, hit enter. It will display the command. So you can see here dash I small I is to install the bantoy to the respective pen drive, that is the USB pen drive or any hard disk drive external. Then dash U update bantoy in any external drive, that is the SDB, SDA, whatever it is, and dash capital letter I force install bantoy to this. So, and here some optional to enable secure boot support. So we'll just need this -i. So the command will be sh space, just copy that file. You can see here this one, just copy it, paste it here, and hit space dash small I, again hit space slash deb deb slash sdb. Now this letter I have shown you earlier by going to the properties. In my case it is sdb, the selected pen drive. So in your case it might be different, so be careful choosing whether it's sda or sdb by going in the properties and check whether your USB pen drive is SDA or SDB for name. So in my case it is SDB. So once you have typed that word, now hit enter, wait for a few seconds. Now you are being asked whether you continue, yes or no. Type yes, Y, hit enter, again type Y, hit enter, wait for a few seconds until the complete process is being completed. So create partition on this is done, so it's processing right now. So wait for some minutes until the processing gets complete fully. So finally you can see here install Banter to deb successfully finish. Now let's move back to the file manager and we'll check whether it's installed or not. So you can see here this two drives you can see here is completely installed. So Banter is being installed in my USB pen drive. Now suppose if you want to copy any ISO files, then you can check these properties, this Banter. So you can see is expate. So like the Windows you have seen it earlier before, you need to copy the ISO files here on this folder. So you can see the size of the file, it's almost 29 GB, and this one also related to this same pen drive file, but in this drive you need to copy not on the EFI name, you need to copy on the Banter written, that is the expate file system. You can see the format expate. So you need to copy all the ISO under this. Just you need to copy, nothing to do, just copy the ISO, and you can just drag and drop to this folder too, like you have seen in the Windows computer too. So similarly you can do the same thing, and you can copy and you can boot any operating system. That is, you can copy like the Linux ISO or the Windows ISO or any kind of Windows flavors or any kind of Linux flavors ISO operating systems ISOs. You can copy here and you can boot using this pen drive directly from your BIOS system. Now we'll check whether this printer is working or not by inserting the USB pen drive. Now you can see here I'm booting it to the BIOS. So I'm selecting the scan disk right now. So voila, it's working. As you can see, Panther, I've copied the 3 ISO files as you can see here. Now we'll try to select any one of the ISO files, say Windows 7. We'll just select it and we'll just try to proceed whether it's working or not. So it's finally working. So we'll proceed further to check whether it's working perfectly or not. So finally you can see here the Windows 7 ISO file is putting up, that is the setup files is running on. We'll proceed further until the front page. So you can finally see the installation window is showing right now. So in this way, using a pen toy, it's very easy to copy multiple operating system ISO files, and you can use it for BIOS boot up So in my opinion, it's very useful. So if you like this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.